Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. So please let me know in the chat. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? And I'm also looking into the chart on my end. And let me give 1 minute of time so that I will also open the YouTube on my end so that I can talk to you guys easily in the live session. Okay. So as the title you guys know about it is we are going to discuss about a multiple internships and the job offers for the different year people. Those some of the opportunities might be for a 2026 batch, and some of them for 2027 batch, and some of them for 2025 batch. So what I am going to do this in this video is simply we have collected all the internships from the last 1 week. So on this day what we are going to do is I will give you all the detailed information about the internships and hiring, and we will provide the all the links in the description of the video or in the comment section by the end of the class. And you what you guys can do is after completion of this live you can directly navigate to them and you can start applying for them. Okay, so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will start our session. Okay, so meanwhile, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will never miss any opportunity in the future. So I came up with around 10 to 12 hiring opportunities and internships and hackathons a lot of companies are doing. So it will definitely help you guys whether you are a 2025, 2026, 2027 passed out batches. You can able to apply all these things. Okay. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes and we will start at exactly in next 1 minute. Okay. So meanwhile, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat. Guys, am I audible? Please anyone respond in the chat. Am I audible? The screen is visible. Yeah, thank you. Okay, cool. So without any further delay, let's get started. We waited for sufficient time to others to join. So let's do this. The first and best techathon is by EV. Okay, so EY, you already guys know about the company. So I don't talk about much about the company, and I will talk about their hackathon or techathon, we can say here. So usually we will call it as a hackathon, but EY is taking this challenge as a techathon 6.0. And if you want to know about the EY, you can click on this career button and you can see any fresh hirings or student entry level programs are going on. You can click on them and you can navigate to different other jobs also. For example, not only IT, if you are looking for non-IT roles like UI UX designers entry level, if you are very good at any designing tools like Figma, Adobe XD or Adobe Premiere Pro, you can also apply for these type of internships or jobs by the EY. So always look into the career page of different companies. Okay, so let's dive into the techathon. What is this? So when I click here to register, you will redirect to this page and they're associated with the unstop. So just look at here, it is updated on 26th September 2025. So 2 days back this updated this EY techathon, and you can have a team of 1 to 5 members, and already 3,000 members got registered. So only you have 17 days left to apply. And the eligibility criteria, if you see, and I am zooming in for you just to show, is see here, engineering students and MBA students and undergraduates, postgraduates can apply. So here they are not mentioned about pursuing or anything, right? So here 2025 batch can also apply and 2026 batch can also apply. So anyone can apply for this. Why? Because they haven't mentioned like pursuing engineering students like that. Okay. And if you see the round 1 and round 2, round 3, these are all the rounds. If I start explaining each and everything, we have a left with another 10 more hirings. So I don't want to go in depth about the hiring, but I will give you the ideology. That's it. Okay. Okay. Executive summary submission, you have to do it by 19th October. So hardly you have another 20 days to complete this and submission. So whoever got selected, they will go through the remaining round 2, round 3 and all. So these are the things. And eligibility criteria, just look at here. It is open for, I'm zooming it. See, EY Techathon 6.0 is open to undergraduates and postgraduate students, part time or full time, from any discipline in any college based out of India. Okay. And participant can register individually or in the team, most 5 members. Okay. And that's it. And a student can be part of only one team. So these are all the things we need to take care and we know about it. And rest of the things you need to go through. And the winners will get the prize money of 3 lakhs and runner-ups will get up to 2 lakhs. And internship opportunity with the EY. So if you perform well and they liked your idea and all, definitely they will give you the internship opportunity with the EY, and you will get the participation certification as well. So this is the one of the best opportunity by the EY Techathon 6.0. So don't miss this chance. Okay, so register here without any fail. And just look into the next one, that is by Google. So this is opportunity for the 2025 batch students and 2026 batch students also. Okay. So actually they are not talking about it is entry level, right? Entry level means you have to have at least 6 months experience with the tools and everything. So I suggest 2025 people can apply more rather than 2026. So the software engineer role and the qualification they have given is bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience, and experience working with the Linux environment, distribution systems, machine learning, and information retrievals and TCP/IP. So mostly cyber security and AML, AI. These branches have a high priority as their subjects. So if you are good at this computer science subjects, you can also apply. They just said bachelor degree is more than enough. They didn't said any about any branch specific. Okay. So experience with the programming languages like C, C++, Java, or Python, and a preferred is bachelor degree or advanced degree in the computer science or computer engineering related fields. So all the branches from CS and other related branches can apply for this opportunity. And the locations they are providing is nothing but Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, and Mumbai and Pune. That's it. There are 5 locations they are offering this job. And if you want to know about the responsibilities and all, you can navigate to this page. So this is the second opportunity for the 2025 batch. And when coming to the IBM is also hiring software developers. So here they have given some information about the company. So we don't talk about the company. Just we'll navigate to what are the qualifications they are looking for. And this is a off-campus drive so that all 2025 batch can apply. So remember, Google hiring 2025 batch can apply, and IBM hiring 2025 batch can apply. Okay, and the qualification they're asking is bachelor degree, and they want the student who are professional in any of the one programming language like Go, Java, Python, or scripting languages. Okay, and the front end tools also you need to know about them. That is React, Redux, AngularJS, JavaScript, HTML, or CSS. And interested in backend development also like Python, Java, or Go. So for example, if you are good at Python, you have to prepare for Django or Flask. Or if you are good at Java and you need to know about the Spring Boot and all, so it would be better for the backend. And the front end, always remember React is the one of the best choice to learn, so that you can handle front end easily. And basic familiar test with just Cypress and code concept. I think these are not that much important, but take care of first 3 points more. Okay, and obviously this is experience using GitHub or other sources where code control systems will do. So version control, we will say here they are saying like source code control systems. So everyone need to know, have a good knowledge in GitHub. So remember, whether you are a bachelor or if you are a pursuing your degree or pursuing your engineering, definitely learn GitHub and what are the projects you did and what are the portfolio you build and whatever the codes you developed, everything you need to push it in GitHub. It would be better. Okay, so that is the most important thing. And also they are looking for the preferred, they're not sure but they're preferring cloud computing like IBM Cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP. You don't have to be good at all the platforms. At least you need to good at one of the cloud computing platform. So most of the people will go with AWS, Azure, GCP, and almost IBM Cloud will also have a same terminologies and knowledge if you learn any one of these. Okay, and DevOps tools and practice and Kubernetes, Docker, and OpenShift, Linux systems, and awareness of the frame automation frameworks, data science concept, and cloud architecture. For the fresher, all these things are not required. Have a good knowledge in simple one programming language, and along with that, have a good knowledge in building the projects like web development side, and have a good knowledge in cloud computing. I think more than enough for this role. Okay, they will give you a lot of things, but don't learn everything. Just apply whatever you know as of now. So I suggest for this role, they mostly look for the people who know cloud computing, and the second thing is they who know development side tools or frameworks, and then you are good to go. Okay, this is a third hiring of IBM. Next, look into the one more opportunity by Google. So actually, Google is conducting a 5-day AI agents intensive course with Google. So this is collaborated with the Kaggle. So Kaggle and Google together doing this joint 5-day AI intensive course. So it will start from November 10th and it will ends on November 14th. So it's a 5-day workshop. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So just you what you guys need to do is just register. Why? Because the present, the most emerging course is generative AI, right? So if you are learning generative AI from the topmost at tech companies, and their workshops will definitely help you to learn the things, what kind of the tools you need to learn and everything. Okay, see, it is a 5 days intensive workshop, and how does this work is nothing but they will give you daily assignments so that you can learn more, and you can also learn how to use notebook LM. It is the one of the best tool present AI. This is a AI tool which is owned by Google. So for example, I will tell you about the notebook LM also. If for example, if you have any YouTube video and you don't have a time to complete that entire video, just you can copy the link of the YouTube and you can paste it in the notebook LLM, and in the notebook LM it will give you the complete review of the video. And if you need any mind map, they will give you the mind map. If you need any review of that entire video, it will give. Or if you want summary of this video, it will give. So it is a one of the powerful AI tool owned by Google. So I also always use for my work. So it's better to learn this also. So in this workshop, you can able to understand how you can use this to complete your assignments also. And Discord discussion threads and daily live stream seminars and AMAs, which is nothing but ask me anything. So you can interact with the tech leads so that it will be very good. And you will do a capstone project, which is the one of the best thing you can say, and you can put it in your resume so that it will be great for you as well. So there is no pre-registrations or anything required, just apply. Okay, don't worry about anything. So what they're going to cover is nothing but this is the list of the things they have given. So whatever the knowledge you have or anything, don't mind about your knowledge, just use this opportunity. Okay, so you have to sign up with your email id, and after that complete the registration. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity, and it is starting in next 43 days. So please register as fast as you can, better. Why? Because if the slots got completed, it's online, there will be no slots wise. But if they feel like we will take these top 5,000 members, or first 5,000, first 10,000 members only they feel like to take, then it will be a problem for us. So please try to register as soon as possible, and the links is given in the description of the video. And next one is one of the internship for the students from the ISRO. Okay, so internship start date is announced, and the internship will start from 1st January 2026. So the people who would like to work with the government organizations closely, you guys can apply this. Okay, so the internship opportunity is for UG, PG, PhD students of Indian citizens pursuing from the recognized university institution. So pursuing means this is the opportunity for 2026 batch, not for 2025 batch, in the discipline of science and technology, or have completed within 6 months of the application. So for example, this application just now is announced, right? They announced just now. And for example, if you completed within the 6 months, for example, your graduation is completed in March or April. This is September, April, May, June, July, August, September. If your graduation is not within completed within the 6 months, means you can also apply. But if it is more than 6 months, don't apply for this. You won't get the revert back. Okay, I'm looking into the chat, guys. Please, meanwhile, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Sir, tomorrow is my Capgemini communication assessment. Is there any live for the preparation of it? Yeah, Engineer YT, we already have Capgemini communication assessment video in our YouTube channel, and just you navigate and you can learn it. We already did the video on how to prepare for Capgemini communication assessment. Okay, so just look at here, student project training scheme, which is nothing but here the degrees are given and eligibility criteria also given. For example, if you are in engineering, should have completed 6th semester, and MEM Tech should have completed 1st semester. So these are the some criteria they have given, and also they have given the minimum percentage also, like 60%, or if you want to give in the CGPA, it must be more than 6.32. So these are the remaining information you can go with, and the registration deadline is open from 1st August, and October 31st is the last day to apply. So still you have 1 month left to apply, but don't take it light. Immediately apply if you are having the eligibility. So this is like 2026 batch. Okay, so internship by ISRO. And next one is summer internship by Cisco. So I'm just refreshing the page so that you guys can understand. And in order to, guys, if you don't have the knowledge how to do the things and everything, so I suggest our PrepInsta Prime, where you can learn all courses at a single platform, that is PrepInsta Prime. So the people who don't know about us, I will tell you. So here in a PrepInsta Prime is a video based platform where you can learn all your placement needed courses with a single subscription. For example, the popular skills like Gen AI, data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and cyber security, cloud computing, ethical hacking, everything you can learn under popular skills. And if you want to go with development side, for example, you don't know about HTML or anything, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, the framework of the CSS, and JavaScript, jQuery, and web development front end and back end, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB. You can learn everything, especially the Moon stack. So the Moon stack is the one of the leading development criteria or category. So for example, full stack is divided into several categories like Python full stack, Java full stack, man stack, mean stack. A lot of tech stacks will be there. So in that, Mearn stack is the one of the leading one. So if you want to learn Mearn stack, you can learn from here. And if you want to learn any programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, you can learn from here. And if you want to learn data structures algorithms, you can learn from this section. And if you want to preparing for aptitude, you can come to the aptitude section and you can go with the quantitative, logical, verbal, and data interpretation and all. And also, if you want to learn company specific preparation, you can go with Deloitte, TCS, and TCS, all the different roles, Accenture, Deloitte, Wipro, Infosys, and all. And we know a lot of companies already started on campus for a lot of students. So that's why I am suggesting you it's the right time to purchase PrepInsta Prime and start your preparation for interviews and build the projects. And if you want to learn computer science subjects like SQL, DBMS, SDLC, computer networking, and all, you can learn here. And there is a big billion day sales is going on. So I suggest you guys to utilize this opportunity and get the 80% discount. And see, for example, 1 year it is showing like 15,000 rupees, right? So if I apply the coupon code of billion and if you click on it, you will get 80% discount and you can save up to 12,000 rupees and only 3,000 rupees you need to invest to get the PrepInsta Prime for 1 year. This is the lowest price ever you can see. So never miss this chance. Try to grab the opportunity and try to invest your money wisely. And with affordable prices, you can easily purchase. For example, if you see here, for 48 months, it is 20,000 rupees, right? But if I apply, so 4 years, I have to just invest 4,000 rupees. So simply 1 year, I have to invest only 1,000 rupees. It is very less, right? 1,000 rupees in a year is very less. So it is a one of the best deal you guys will get, and all the courses we cover. So we are giving at the price point that student can afford, whether you are a first year student or second year students or third year student or a fourth year students or a passed out batch. You can afford these prices easily. And if you want to prepare for any previous year papers, you can prepare from our prepinsta.com. Like go to the all platforms and you can see all the company specific previous year papers. Right. So let's dive into the hiring updates. So software engineer, it is a summer internship for the Indian engineers, and it is the location is Bangalore, and the eligibility criteria and we will see why, because that is the important thing for us. So the requirement of 2027 passed out batch only. So far we have seen earlier hirings are for 2025 batch we have seen, and we have seen for 2026 batch. Now we are seeing for 27 batch as well. So this Cisco is giving the summer internship for 2027 batch. So while you are in the second year, okay, so sorry, third year. So don't miss this opportunity. Please try to grab the opportunity and apply. Okay. And a solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering with the attitude for the learning the new technologies as well. Okay. And strong knowledge in programming and scripting languages. So along not only programming languages, a lot of companies are looking into the scripting language also. So please take care of that. Okay. and excellent verbal and written skills. So soft skills also very important, and problem solving and excellent troubleshooting and debugging skills also required. These are the major criteria they're looking for. So they didn't talk about your brand specification. Anyone can apply, but you need to be good at computer science fundamentals and software engineering. So if you are not having a background of computer science also, if you have a good knowledge, it would be better. And the roles they are offering is nothing but software engineer in embedded system development, and software engineer in application softwares, and software engineer in the networking protocols. So there are three different roles they are giving providing for this internship. So based on the criteria, you can choose anyone as per your interest as well. Okay. So far we completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to the next one, that is Autodesk. So guys, just 3 days back, the Autodesk, one of the best product based companies, those which offer highest amount of package, is Autodesk, right? So Autodesk is hiring software development engineer for the role 1, which is nothing but level 1, and it is a full time and posted 3 days ago. And this is some reference ID or what. Let's see the key responsibilities and the requirements and the preferred qualification. Let's see the first preferred qualification is nothing but exposure to use CI/CD pipeline and automation tools, and familiar with the front end and back end testing frameworks, and a knowledge to the relational or NoSQL databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL, and understanding the infrastructure as a code tools like Terraform, AWS, CDK. So they are looking for the cloud computing, the people who know cloud computing and all. Also, they are looking for the qualification like proficiency in the JavaScript and TypeScript, or experience with HTML, CSS and all. So usually they are looking for the front end and back end, which is nothing but if you have a good knowledge in full stack development, it will be a added advantage for you. So when you click on the add button, you can autofill with your resume, or you can apply manually, or you can apply with the LinkedIn profile as well. So anything can be possible to apply for the Autodesk role. So here it is for 2025 batch, and 2026 also can apply. Again, I'm telling you, anyone can apply. This is an entry level job, and they will pay you in a very high manner. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. It is one of the best opportunity you will get. And next, summer internship for the 2026 by Baker Hugs. So okay, it's my bad. Where is the qualification? I am unable to find out the qualification here. Yeah, sorry. Be currently enrolled in a bachelor or master level degree in the engineering and technology missions or other STEM related business related programs. Be a national citizen of India having a minimum CGP or GPA more than or equal to 3.0 out of 4 or equivalent in the country. So out of 4 points, 3 points need to secure, means at least you need to secure. For example, if it is converted into 10 points, 10 points means 7.5 at least you need to have. So remember, you need to have a CGPA more than 7.5, then only you can able to apply for this hiring. And the fluent in the oral and communication, all the communication skills, this is we do need to talk about. So what are the technical stuff they are looking for? So they haven't mentioned about the technicalities also. So anyone can apply to this summer internship. Here they haven't mentioned about any technical tech stack they need. Just they want the people who are currently in the enrolled in the bachelor and master degree in the engineering and technology. You can apply, And the major thing is 7.5 above CGPA you need to secure, and then good to go. The company will train you based on the technologies they want to be. And working with us at our company means being our people are diverse, ambitious, and collective. We are on the mission to redefine the energy sector by unblocking the power of engineering, data, and science. Okay, nothing else they have given. So, guys, everyone can apply. There is no technicalities they have given, and they are hiring in the two locations, that is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Bangalore, Karnataka, which is nothing but two locations. Either you will get the internship in the Mumbai location or Bangalore location. Okay, and the last but not least for the today's this week hirings, the hiring by Accenture. So software engineer intern, the backend, and the job description is given here, and the job requirements are here. They are given. Currently pursuing bachelor degree or master degree in the computer science on software engineering or related field. So all CS and background people can apply. So pursuing means 2026 and 2027 batches can apply for this. And comfortable and creative in learning LLM prompts and giving the models towards the deterministic responses, and also preferred programming language is Python, and have a good knowledge in SQL and in-hand experience of MySQL, and excellent problem solving and positive attitude, and strong communication and teamwork skills. So mostly probably they are looking for the people who want to work as on LLMs and all. So who know Python very well and who know SQL and MySQL tool hands-on experience, those who have, they can definitely apply for this. Okay, and also it is the location is Bangalore, and you can click on the apply button and you can redirect to this page where you can apply and give you all the details about them. Okay, so yes guys, this is about today's session, which is nothing but just we came to tell you what are the internships is going on for this entire week. So we discussed around 10 internships, 10 job and internship opportunities we have for this entire week. So every week we will do this type of videos or the live classes for you, so that the entire week updates you will get it easily, and you will get all the links at a time, and you can apply for them. So all the links I will share you by the end of the lecture within the next half an hour. You can watch them in the comment section or the description of the video. So thank you so much. This is the end of the today's session, and see you guys in the evening live, where we are going to take a session on a lot of on campus hirings are going on actually. So we will talk about what are the on campus placements are going on across the India in colleges, and I will guide you how to prepare for them. Some people are having Accenture examination, some people are having Capgemini examination, some people have Infosys exam, and some people have LTI Mindtree examinations. So all these things I will talk in the evening session. So that's it guys for today's live about the hiring updates. See you guys in the evening live. Bye bye.